As hot tubs became more popular decades ago, a reality set in that these large vinyl covers that kept the heat in the tub were actually tough to remove and replace with each use. So that's why many companies came up with a variety of what we call cover lifters to assist. Often these were just powder-coated stainless steel bars placed on the very center seam of the cover to help the user flip the cover in half, rock it back, and then back into place. And even today, this is still the most common type of lifting device you'll see. And they're often thrown in with the sale. And though these devices may be better than nothing, at Hot Spring, we take a very different approach, one that we believe is a much better choice for you and your cover, and it's worth every penny. So, a Watkins Wellness cover removal system is just that. It's a system that is comprised of multiple elements to provide you with the easiest possible removal and replacement of your cover that's available today. And by the way, you really just have to try it at your local retailer, both to see and feel the difference. First, you'll notice this is a far more thoughtful approach. There is a lot more going on with this than just a cover bar. There's multiple points of connection and support, and most even feature gas shocks to help it open and close with the ultimate in ease. But it's really what you don't see that matters most. Because we design and manufacture our own heat sealing covers, we also design into each of our covers the corresponding accepting hardware, which make these systems so stable and durable, and actually help prolong the life and effectiveness of your cover. So what you get is a factory-designed system that fully integrates and works seamlessly with our factory-designed covers, rather than an outside company just attaching a metal bar to your cover's weakest point, which is the hinge, which actually can damage them. Here's the fact. Our removal systems are not an afterthought. It's actually our first thought. After all, our goal is that you will be getting in and out of this spa you select every day for the next 20 years. And for that, we believe you'll need more than a bar. So if easy access and frequent use is your goal, one of our removal systems will get you well on your way.